Hello, this is Raid Isa from TutorAlly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can run reports on Oracle Cloud ERP or Oracle Fusion. Let's get started. In Oracle eBusiness Suite, the reports are known as requests and the set of reports are called request set. In Oracle Cloud ERP, we refer to the reports as jobs and job set for the set of reports. To run a report on Oracle Cloud ERP, you navigate to Tools Work area, then click on the Schedule the Processes icon. The Job Run screen will pop up in order for you to specify the report name you want to run. To run a new report, you click on Schedule a New Process button. From the labels, you see that they use the terminology job and job set. So this screen is used to run any of the Oracle Cloud reports, or you can use it to run any other jobs like loading data from an external Excel spreadsheet, for example. I will use the Payables trial balance report for this tutorial. So you have the option either to type in the full name, Payables trial balance report. You will see the description of the report. This means you entered the full report name, or you can enter a portion of the report, for example, Payables, and hit the enter button on the keyboard. Then you will get a list of the reports that matching the portion of the name you specified. You select the report you want to use, then you hit OK. Or from the drop-down menu, click on the search link. You will get to the search screen, and here you type in the report name or a portion of the report name and search for it. Payables trial balance report, or I can use just Payables and use the wildcard percentage, then click the search button. And you see here, you got a list of reports that contains the Payables word. Then if I narrow down the search criteria with trial, I got one report, which is Payables trial balance. Select the report, then click OK. So now you got the report. You click OK again to open up the report parameters screen. So this screen contains the report parameters. These are the parameters you want to specify, or you can specify. The asterisk here beside the parameter label means this parameter is a required parameter and you have to specify a value in this parameter before you hit the submit button. If you want to see more options to this report, you click on the advanced button, and in the first tab, in the parameters tab, you will see all the parameters you need to pass to the report or specify. And in the second link, which is the schedule link here, and these scheduling options, same like what we have in Oracle eBusiness Suite. So the first option is to run the report as soon as possible. This means the report will run immediately after you click or hit the submit button. But if you want to set up a schedule for this report, you choose using a schedule, and in the frequency, you select how often you need to run the report. Is it once, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly? And in the start date, you specify the date and time that the system will use for the first run. But for this report, I'm gonna use as soon as possible. So I need to run the report immediately. Then once I'm good about the parameters and the schedule, I click on the submit button to submit the report. You will get a confirmation message here. A process number was submitted. Click OK. Then you will go to the search screen for your report. To see the submitted report or a job, you click on the refresh button or icon. You see here we have payables trial balance, and it's in succeeded status. Usually the reports, they go from wait status to running status, then completed, then succeeded, or error in case of error. So you need the report to be in succeeded status, means the report was successfully completed and now you can see the report output. However, if the report end up with error status, you will need to see or review the log file. So now I select the report to see the output. I scroll down. Here's the log file that you can run and view, especially in the case of error. In the output section here, you can view the report output, and here you have the format is PDF. And if you click on default document, you will see the report output in PDF format. And from here, you can download or you can print out the report. Basically, this is how you can run reports in Oracle Cloud ERP or Oracle Fusion.